Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
As you create tables in Access, you will want to be able to relate the tables so that you can access information from them through their shared or common fields. In Access, you create relationships between tables in the Relationships window. You can access this window by selecting Tools and then choosing Relationships, or by simply clicking the Relationships button in the database toolbar. In the Relationships window, you add the tables from your database that you want to relate to each other, and they must have shared fields. To assist you in doing this, the Show Table dialog box will automatically appear the first time that you enter this window. You can select the names of the table to add, and then click the Add button to add the tables to the Relationships window. And when you're done, you can close the Show Table dialog box. In the future, when you return to this window, you can access it again by clicking the Show Table button in the middle of the database toolbar. It's the one with the small yellow plus symbol. And once again, you could select any other tables to add. Click Add to add them in. And then when you're finished, click Close. Now once you've added all the necessary tables to the Relationships window, then you are free to create as many joins between the common fields as are necessary for you to be able to obtain all of the data you need from them. To relate fields in Access, you simply click and drag the shared field from one table and drop it on top of the common field in the other table to establish a join between them based on the common field. You can actually click and drag from either one of the fields onto the other. Make sure, however, that you do pay attention to which fields you're joining. You can join any two fields that have the same data type, so make sure that you don't accidentally join two fields that you didn't mean to join. If you do this, you can delete the join between the fields in this window as well. So for example, if I wanted to join Sale ID in this table to Sale ID in Sales, you can click and drag from one and drop on top of the other. That presents you with the Edit Relationships dialog box. We have some options for enforcing referential integrity, which we'll look at in the next lesson, and also you can set the relationship type. When you click Create, it creates the join between the tables. If you need to edit the join, you may put your mouse pointer right on the join and right-click. You should see a little menu of two commands, Edit Relationship or Delete. To edit the relationship, you can simply left-click Edit Relationship and bring this dialog box back up to edit it as needed. If you need to delete a relationship, you may right-click it and choose Delete, and then say Yes to the prompt to delete the relationship. Now when you create a join, Access will assign it one of several possible join types. You can see it at the bottom of the Edit Relationships dialog box. You'll either have a one-to-many join, in which one record from a parent table will have multiple related records in the second or child table. You could also possibly have a one-to-one join in which every record in the first table has a single related entry in the second table. Or you'll have an indeterminate join, which is usually indicative of an error and is very rarely used. Access determines the join type automatically when you create the join in the tables. In the Relationship windows, primary key fields appear in a bold font face. Join fields will also share a little black line between the common fields in the two tables.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.